Thanks for joining us on CNY Central. I'm First Alert meteorologist Mike Brookins. Well, we've had some warmth today, and it's getting even hotter as we go into early next week. Just wait to see the forecast. It's going to be a sizzler. Kind of feeling bad for the students out there who have to go in some of the warm schools. And also the teachers. I was actually Facebooking this afternoon. The teacher said, what about us teachers? We've got to be in those hot schools as well. Yeah, it's going to be pretty taxing on the bodies. If you're working outdoors, think about those people working in the sun when we hit 90 or better. Today's record high temperature was 94. We weren't too far away. 86 was our high. That was only 8 degrees away. We were 10 degrees above average. Last night also quite a bit above average, so very warm. Summer-like day here, technically still in spring. The equinox, when summer officially arrives, that's going to be, the summer solstice, I should say, is coming up on June 20th. Rainfall, not too much in Syracuse, 0.02 of an inch. However, some areas did get some downpours, so it was very localized. That's a lot of the way the pattern is a lot this time of the year. Some areas get some rain, others not so much. For the overnight, we should be rain-free. First couple of hours of the evening, yes, there is a chance for a shower or storm well to the east and southeast of Syracuse, but I think Syracuse doesn't receive that, and the greater Syracuse area stays dry. And overnight, mainly clear to partly cloudy. It stays muggy for tonight, only dropping down into the mid and upper 60s, and the dew point temperatures are very close to that, so there'll be some fog forming as well. Hazy, hot, humid, the Triple H weather. On Monday, we should be eclipsing 90 degrees. Tuesday, not quite as hot, still some humidity in the air, but a cold front comes into the mix and a better chance for showers and thunderstorms, some of those possibly on the strong to severe side during the afternoon. A week ago, we had dew points in the 40s to near 50 degrees. Well, now it's up there between 65 and 70. The dew point is indicative of how much moisture is in the air. When it gets high, boy, does it get oppressive. It gets uncomfortable and humid and sticky. If you're out there doing some exercise, mowing the lawn, working on the yard, work up a sweat real quick with all the moisture out there. And the sweat just doesn't evaporate from your skin, so it makes you feel even stickier and hotter. Not much going on from Syracuse west. To the east, we do have some clouds working from north to south. These are along a warm front, which is just to our east, and it should stay there. It's very slowly creeping along. It'll start moving faster tomorrow, and we'll be in this warm sector before a cold front, which is out in the plain states, begins to affect us later Monday night going into Tuesday especially. So those fronts off to our east and high pressure as well. The front kind of dying out. It's technically just a boundary between the more comfortable air over New England and the more humid air over central New York. We'll start the day off nice with sunshine and pleasant temperatures, but we warm up quickly with blazing sunshine. By midday, we're into the 80s and topping out at 91. You can see some showers and storms pop up during the afternoon over the Genesee River Valley and Rochester, so just west of central New York. Now, these could come a little closer as we work towards midnight. By midnight, I expect them to be west of Syracuse, a few showers and storms. So this activity starts to blossom in. It may not hit the eastern areas until late morning on Tuesday, but in Syracuse, likely by late night, Monday night or Tuesday morning, we'll be dealing with a few showers and storms increasing during the afternoon. And we're going to watch very closely Tuesday afternoon for a threat for severe weather. We're at one of the warmest spots throughout the Northeast coming up on Monday. With the wind coming in off of the higher elevations to the south, it warms. So 91. Record high is 95, by the way. Apache Valley fog tonight, mainly clear to partly cloudy. Low temperature only 66, muggy. Lots of humidity in the air. It'll be a hazy, hot, humid day. Sunshine through the morning, and then the clouds begin to build in the afternoon, but we stay dry at 91. Showers and thunderstorms scattered around Tuesday, especially when they're numerous in the afternoon. Could be strong. 79, back to dry weather with less humidity Wednesday.